Okay, guys, I'll try not to get emotional, but I usually do. This is Luna. And this is Benji. Brother and sister. We're just checking on the age now. And if I can go back so that you can get to see. Stay there, Benji. Stay there, Benji. It's impossible to do a video on my own, as you all know. Stay there, Benji. Anyway, we got a call today to say that these guys needed to be rescued pretty quickly because they belonged to an old couple. The husband had died and the owner was being evicted and put into an apartment. So we pulled up in a car park expecting to be taken to meet the dogs to then arrange taking care of them. Basically, the lady, as an emotional wreck, got out of the car, both of these on a lead with their puppy books. I know, gorgeous boy. And basically, we just had to take them. She just drove away. In fact, I think she just got back in the car and she couldn't drive for a while because she was just too upset. So we just took them and brought them back here. They're both very scared. They're not very happy with my pack because I think they're used to living together, just the two of them. So anyway, watch for more updates, and we're just trying to find out now to confirm their ages, see whether any of them have been castrated or spayed. But my goodness, are they a beautiful pair of dogs that have been very loved and have just come from very sad circumstances. Hey, Benji. Hi, Luna. Hi, gorgeous girl. You settle there now, don't be scared. Good girl. Good girl.